Good morning, traders. This is Matthew Gordon, your senior analyst here with your market update for Wednesday, September 9th. Let's take a look at what we've got going today. We can see that in early morning trading, Australia was doing some business early. We can see that they had a few reports came out that were one was good, and a couple were pretty average. The big news was Japan did extremely well yesterday, and we can see that a couple of reports that recently came out, and one being tied to very early in the morning, were still very positive. So if we're going to be investing on the yen, the yen is getting a lot stronger. So that is something to look forward to. The yen's going to be doing very, very well today. What do we got on tap? Let's see here. We've got the GBP for the British pound, guys. The manufacturing production month over month for July is coming out at 9:30 BST. All right, that's a forecast of 0.2%. Let's pay attention to what that's going to show for us. The British pound will have some movement, and then at the same time, we've got the trade balance for the British pound. So that's going to be affecting the British pound at 9:30. Those few reports there. Okay. What else do we have? We have at 1 o'clock. At 1 o'clock BST. Let's see here. Let's see, make sure this is correct. Yeah. Okay. At 1 o'clock BST. I'm sorry. There we go. Yeah, at 1 o'clock, Canada is going to be releasing some housing starts and some building permits. That's all going to be leading up to at 3 o'clock BST when Canada released their new interest rates. That's going to be huge for the Canadian dollar. So we should pay attention to that. Earlier in the day, we can see around noon, we've got the United States releasing a lot of their mortgage reports and stuff on housing. Some of that stuff is not so important, but we should pay attention to that as well. Okay, but the big news for later on will be at 3 o'clock when Canada releases their interest rates. And also at 10 o'clock BST, New Zealand is going to release their interest rates. So those are the two big ones to look for today. There are some minor reports throughout the day, which will have some small impact on the currencies, as you can see. So if you want, we should pay attention to those as well. But the big ones are the interest rates, okay? So that's big. And after the interest rates are released at 10 o'clock for New Zealand, a couple of key members are going to speak. So there's also going to be some important information being released at that time as well. So those are the big news events. We can see here on this next page, yesterday was an extremely good day. Like I said, the yen did amazing, and we can see that the yen is also doing pretty good right now. Okay, it's up almost 6.5%. Yesterday, the Dow Jones finished a positive 2.42. The S&P 500 finished up almost 2.5%, and NASDAQ finished a positive 2.7% as well. The DAX did a good job. The German DAX was up 1.61. The English FTSE was up 1.18, and the French CAC 40 was up 1.07. So all across the board in Europe and America, yesterday was a very, very good day for trading. So let's see if that'll continue. Should continue, as we got some reports that China is doing a little bit better. So we should have a good day today and a good week. All right. We will catch you tomorrow, guys. Best of luck and take care.